Howdy folks, it's Richard Joe here, CXL Certified Optimizer, and today I want to discuss why we do not stop test early when we reach statistical significance. And this is quite an important one, whether you're client side or agency or whatever. It's about maintaining discipline within your testing. You see, before you launch a test, you will typically do a pre-test calculation based on your NDE, so you can know how long to run the test. And look, typically you'll put it into a CRO pre-test calculator. You can just Google CRO pre-test calculator. I think A/B Testing Guide has that as well. And what you'll typically put in is your pre-test calculations based on weekly traffic and conversions, which is typically your primary metric that you want to look at increasing. Say it's add to carts or page views or whatever. And so you'll typically, they typically say you set an NDE of 5%, and at 5% or just under 5%, the calculator will show, okay, this is how many weeks you run the test for. Let's say the calculator gives you a NDE of just under 5% at 4 weeks, and it will say, okay, we want 40,000 visitors per variation, including control. Then you've got to do that. You've got to maintain, like as a CRO manager, specialist, whatever. You just got to maintain that discipline. So, when your testing tool, whatever it is, says, okay, if it says, for instance, your variation's a winner, and it says, okay, hey, congratulations, there's all these, it's the app will naturally, have an alert celebration. After 2 weeks of testing, you reach 95% stat sig. Now, newbie testers would be like, yeah, cool, man, let's just turn off the test, let's just celebrate. We can tell our client or our stakeholders, hey, this test has reached significance. But the issue there is that you must maintain focus. You could actually be peaking, and you won't want to do that later on, but you could actually be calling the test early. So test up to NDE length, and